Under the weather. An idiom.
What is feeling under the weather?
It means feeling unwell.
Let's take a look at some examples.
Hey, are you okay?
Not really. I feel under the weather.
Oh no, what's wrong?
I have a runny nose.
I'll tell the teacher you need to rest.
Thanks. That would be great. Hi, how are you doing?
Not so great. I feel under the weather.
Oh no, what's wrong?
I have a headache and a sore throat.
You should rest. Do you need some water?
Yes, that would be nice. Thank you.
Hello, doctor.
Hello, how are you feeling today?
I feel under the weather.
Which symptoms do you have?
I have a headache and I'm really tired.
Have you been drinking enough water?
No, I haven't.
You should drink lots of water and get plenty of rest. It will help.
Okay, thank you, doctor.
Next time when you're feeling unwell, you can say, I'm feeling under the weather.
Thanks for watching. See you next time. Follow us on social media.